can plan ahead. Even if it doesn't go your way, just plan kung ano yung mga kailangan nyo, ano yung dapat gawin. It's nice to know that, di ba? Kahit papaano naka-ready kayo. But if you are having a hard time, don't be afraid to ask help. Don't be afraid to ask help. Because hindi na naman tayo sila Superman or Superwoman, di ba? You have to be practical as well. College. College student na nagsa-struggle. Oh my God. I feel you. When I was in college, I was doing my thesis with my group mates while I was doing acting. While I was acting. So, struggle siya. I'm sure nahihirapan ka. I'm sure pagod ka na. But, it doesn't mean it's hard. You should quit. Isipin mo na after everything, all your hardship is going to be worth it kasi pinagpaguran mo siya, yung binigyan mo ng effort yun. Lagi naman may magandang kalalabasan pag nagbigay ka ng effort at binigyan mo ng time, diba? So hold on. Everything will be fine. Everything will be worth it. First time na sumali in pageantry. I just want to ask, do you really want to join? Is this something that you really want? Did someone ask you to do this? You really have to know why you're joining, or do you really want to join? Is this something you want to do? Yun yung first kong advice sa'yo. Make sure that you like what you're doing and make sure you're gonna have fun doing it. Hindi dapat na napilitan ka lang. I'm 5'6". Hello. Guys, nagka-carbs ako, pero binabawi ko pa rin kahit pa paano sa workout. Hindi naman pwedeng, hindi tayo, hindi naman tayo pwedeng hindi healthy, di ba? Minsan, kain din.